Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. So today video is very special video because we are going to talking about one of the most famous, very beautiful, gorgeous Melania's trump. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, before start this video I want to tell you about my YouTube channel. In my channel you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, England woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my video. So my beautiful viewers, I request all of you, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay up to date on my all latest videos, and share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, please watch this video till the end. So my beautiful viewers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my video and which type of video do you like in future. Please tell me in comment box and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. So my beautiful viewers, in this quick 3-minute videos I will be sharing some of my favorite fashion finds, providing that style no size. Whether you are a curvy queen or just someone looking for some special inspiration, you are in the right place. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident in your own skin. So whether you are rocking a casual everyday look or dressing up for a special occasion, on it with pride. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fashion content for all body type, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss any our new video. Let's spread positivity and self-love together. Join us as we explore the latest fashion trends and expert advice to help you find the perfect mother of the bride dresses that suits your style and make you feel like a queen on your daughter's special day. So my beautiful viewers, you are watching Melania's Trump's outfits. She is a wife of Donald Trump. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion inspiration and wedding tips. Stay tuned for more fashion and wedding related content, and feel free to leave your question and comment below. We would love to hear you from. Join us as we showcase a wide range of stunning of mother of the bride dresses, providing with you inspiration tips to make this important decision a breeze. From classic and timeless design to modern and trendy option, we have got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on fashion and wedding related content. Thank you very much. Take care.